Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to log in into a Citizens Bank account. Whether you're logging in for the first time or just need a quick refresher, this video will help you out. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Citizens Bank website. That would be citizensbank.com. Make sure you're on the official website so you don't get scammed. It's gonna take a few seconds. Okay, we're there. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button, which is usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. Then you have to choose personal or small business. Then tap on login and you'll be on a login page. It's gonna take a few seconds too. You can block it, block the ads, or you can allow it. It's all upon you. Now, on the login page, you'll see fields asking for your online user ID and password. Enter your online ID in the first field. Next, enter your password in the second field. Be sure to type your password carefully to avoid any errors. After successfully entering your credentials, you'll be logged into your Citizens Bank account. You can access all the online banking features such as checking your balance, transferring funds, and much more. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your Citizens Bank account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.